Hey there, educators and teachers! Welcome back to my e-class in Bites. I'm Elena, and today we've got an exciting episode for you. We're going to discuss some practical strategies to help you make more money in the upcoming year. Whether you're a seasoned educator or just starting out, these tips will help you boost your income. So let's dive in. Professional development. One of the best ways to increase your earning potential is by investing in your own professional development. Attend workshops, seminars, and online courses to enhance your skills and qualifications. The more you learn, the more valuable you become as an educator. This can open doors to promotions, pay raises, and even opportunities for additional roles within your school or district. Explore additional roles. Speaking of additional roles, consider taking on extra responsibilities within your educational institution. This could include becoming a department head, leading a committee, or taking on administrative tasks. Many schools offer stipends or additional pay for these roles, providing you with an opportunity to increase your income while contributing to the school community.
Hey guys, quick break. If you find this video or other videos here on this channel helpful, you can now send a small donation through Super Thanks to support me so that I can continue producing these videos for you in the future. Just hit Super Thanks under a particular video you are watching and follow the instructions on how to donate. Super Thanks in advance. Let's now continue to the video.
Side hustles and online teaching. In the digital age, there are plenty of opportunities for educators to explore side hustles or online teaching. You could offer tutoring services, create educational content on platforms like Teachers Pay Teachers, or even start your own online courses. These avenues not only provide additional income, but also allow you to share your expertise with a broader audience. Negotiate your salary. Don't be afraid to negotiate your salary. Research the average salaries for educators in your region and use that information when discussing compensation within your school or district. Highlight your achievements, qualifications, and any additional responsibilities you've taken on. Remember, advocating for yourself is an essential part of maximizing your income. Financial literacy and investments. Educate yourself on financial literacy and consider making smart investments. Whether it's saving for retirement, investing in stocks, or exploring real estate opportunities, being financially savvy can help you build wealth over time. There are numerous resources available to help educators understand and navigate the world of personal finance. Alright, educators, there you have it. 5 strategies to help you make more money in the upcoming year. Remember, it's all about investing in yourself, exploring new opportunities, and advocating for your worth. If you found this episode helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content. Until next time, keep educating and keep thriving. See you on the next episode.